Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. I'll wake up in a doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hoka hey, hoka hey, hey. I don't know any more of that song.
I don't know either. I just run out of the lyrics after the first verse.
Yeah. Where so na 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 na. I think there's something about James Shagobay.
Yeah, the song has something to do with James Shagobay, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. If only he were here now, we could ask him.
But where could he be?
Where could James Shagobay be?
Maybe he's in the chat.
What?
James Shagobay is here.
You gotta be kidding me. James. I promised myself I wasn't gonna cry. Okay, BOOZHOO Nietzsche. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO. They said, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language. What's that other thing, sweetie?
And Ojibwe culture.
And Ojibwe culture. And, what's your name?
My name is Natasha.
Oh, that's right. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO kakina awia. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello to these people. Hey, everybody. How you doing? What do you mean by these people? These kinds of people.
That's racist.
How is that racist?
I don't know. You can't say these people.
No. Those people. Your people. You're a credit to your race, Jim Dunn.
Is Jim here?
Yeah, Jim's here.
Hey, BOOZHOO, Jim. What's going on?
How you doing, buddy? Pull up a chair. Have some coffee. Have some of the old black medicine water. Today is on our show, sweetie. Should we bring out our special guest immediately?
Yeah, we might as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite to the show once again our very good friend, Nabese. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Nabese. Say hello, rooster.
BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO nej Anishinaabe dog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. How is that, boss?
Oh, you did just great. Now fly away, little bird. It breaks my heart to say goodbye, so I won't say goodbye. I will simply say, Gigawaba min, minawa.
Gigawaba min, minawa.
Oh, I miss him already.
Yeah.
Nabese, rooster. And this is our Ojibwe word of the day.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No, isn't it raccoon and fox or something?
What did we decide the title of the show was going to be?
It was either going to be like the story of fox and raccoon, or it was going to be Let's Dance Under the Serious Moonlight.
Oh, yeah. I think we called it Let's Dance Under the Moonlight, the Serious Moonlight.
Yeah.
If you should fall into my arms. Yesterday we were on the live stream and we started talking about David Bowie. And somebody requested... No, they asked you, Michael, huh? What's that? He wanted you to sing Let's Dance. Yeah, that was cool. Hey, you know what we should do before we get into all that?
What's that?
I want to say before we get started today,
We're not started?
nah, never mind the introductions and the theme music. The show hasn't even started yet. Before we start the live stream podcast, I wanna quickly say miigwech to our BOOZHOO crew, tribal members. We've started a membership channel, and very soon, I don't want to say when, but very soon, we will be doing exclusive live streams only for members. And we'd like to welcome Jilly Hirth. Jilly just signed up, just joined our cult.
Yeah.
But BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO is brought to you by the BOOZHOO crew tribal members Jilly Hirth, the Commodore, Friendship One, Diane,
The beautiful hippie.
the beautiful hippie. You gotta quit calling her greasy.
I did say it this time.
Okay. Cousin Missy. Missy, by the way. And anybody else who's been trying to message us through Facebook, we can't respond to our Facebook Messenger or anything. We got hacked and we're not on Facebook anymore. So if you wanna talk to us, you gotta come to the live stream, I guess.
Yeah.
But Ben Lejour, MJ,
Michael Jackson, King of Pop.
no, not that MJ, different MJ.
Oh, right.
Mike Ohl, Art Teacher of the Year, 2000 and I forget.
Yeah.
Joan Frame, and Red Z. Miigwech.
Chi miigwech.
Chi miigwech. Great, thanks. Otherwise, all right. You guys wanna get the show started?
Yeah, okay.
Bonjour, Mino Gigajev. Hello, good morning, and welcome to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and this right here is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And we're just going to start the show with a song. Do you think you can sing
Oh, yeah, Cyndi Lauper. How does this go? You with the sad eyes. Don't be discouraged, oh, I realize it's hard to take courage. And this world makes you crazy, and you've taken all you can bear. Call me up, because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. True colors, true, like a rainbow, like a rainbow. Oh.
Show me a smile then.
Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when.
I last saw you laugh.
What? I'm laughing all the
This
time.
makes you crazy, and you've taken all
You can bear.
You call me up because you know
No, I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through.
I've seen your
True colors, that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show. Your true colors, beautiful.
like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome
NANABOOZHOO.
star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Take it away.
Take it away, baby.
Thank you so much. And speaking of devil, what's that? MJ's here.
Is she really?
Yep. BOOZHOO MJ, we were just talking about you. MJ's this is the MJ, this, not Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson has never given us 1 cent. But still. So, today, noon gum. What's today's show going to be all about? Let's dance. Let's dance. You can dance if you want to, sweetie. You can leave your friends behind. But if your friends don't dance, they don't dance. And if they don't dance, they're no friends of mine.
You wouldn't be friends with somebody just because they don't dance?
Absolutely. I do not associate with non-dancers. I don't dance. You don't dance. No, I don't dance. It's stupid. How dare you? Then you're no friend of mine. Nah, just kidding. Let's dance. Okay. Whoops. I didn't want to do that yet. Today is the Ojibwe word of the day. Oh. Where did I put it? Oh, that's so crazy.
What?
I almost called you grandma.
Grandma? Why would you call me grandma?
I have no idea. It was just like a... Grandma, is your spirit here for some reason? You ever wonder about that?
What's that?
Like when you think about something. Somebody told me once if there's an expression, my ears are burning, and it means somebody's talking about you. But also a cold chill can mean like somebody walked over your grave or something.
Oh yeah, like people get chills, and sometimes they say it's because somebody from the other side is communicating with you or in the room with you or something.
Yeah. MJ says, glad NANABOOZHOO isn't calling me old MJ again. Oh, there's young, lovely, youthful MJ. She's so vain.
I know, but don't tell anybody.
Hello there, MJ. Marvelously juvenile. What? She goes, that's me. Oh, but so let's dance. The Ojibwe word of the day. Word, member list. I know I made some Ojibwe words to talk about today, but... Word. Prayer may... Here we go. Let's dance. Nimada. Let's dance. A nime idiwin. You might have seen that. Nime idiwin is a dance. Like a powwow. Anybody ever ask you what the Ojibwe word for powwow was?
No.
I've heard it.
Really?
Yeah. And I go, I don't know. The Ojibwe word for powwow? I think powwow is actually... It might be an Ojibwe word itself. Or Dakota or something. I've seen it spelled P-A-U-W-A-U. It might be an indigenous word. But our word for a dance is a nimi. Or to dance. Just the word dance is a nimi. When you want to say let's dance, you have to add a duh. Because it doesn't take a rocket scientist.
The smartest people in the world.
Yeah, the smartest people in the world. Rocket scientists. Or, fireworks manufacturers. But, and we can talk about Elon Musk in a minute.
Yeah.
But let's dance is nimit da. Nimit da. So like if David Bowie was Ojibwe, he would have sang that song. Nimit da.
Nimit da. Let's dance.
Yeah. And then there's that one line. I was like, he goes, if you should fall into my arms, tremble like, and he says, a flower. But I always sing it, tremble like wa big one. Wa big one. Let's dance. Nimada. Nimada. Let's dance. I mean, what kind of song is that? I don't know. It's an awesome song. Yeah, but David Bowie is such a weird singer. Is he? Yeah. Sometimes he had a very, very English, formal, let's dance. You know, you almost picture him like with one of those little sticks.
A baton?
Yeah, a baton. Let's dance. And like a whole orchestra. But when you're no Gitchida, when you're a warrior, you dance to the tribal drum, the heartbeat of Mother Earth, sweetie.
The heartbeat of Mother Earth.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what?
Mother Earth just had a heart attack. Oh, what? What was that?
The lights dimmed.
Oh, the space heater's still on. Because I'm a precious little boy, I can't be chilled. Let's dance. Here's a song written by David Bowie. Oh, by the way, we got a copyright strike for playing the Labyrinth video yesterday.
Oh, really? A strike?
Well, not a strike, but a warning or something. And I'm challenging it.
You can challenge it?
Yeah, they have to say, you know, what gives you the right to show this copyrighted material? And they go, okay. Apparently, YouTube's never heard of the internet. And I had to send in this thing saying, no, we were commenting on it. We were using a copyrighted material to comment like the news does or to make satire. But they got time and resources to hassle us. Don't be showing copyrighted videos of, 60 seconds of a Bowie movie from the 80s. David Bowie still wants to make money even though he's dead. I don't know. Let's dance Nimada under the moonlight. The serious moonlight. Oh, there we go.
This one's called Let's Dance.
Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face, baby. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. If you say run, I'll run with you. If you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower. Yay. Let's dance, for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance, for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes.
I'll run with you. If you say hide, we'll hide. 'Cause my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Yay, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance.
And you have been watching
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast about
Ojibwe language
and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Emily.
BOOZHOO.
Over there is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
And of course, Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa. Hawa. Oh, nicely done, you guys. Hey, thanks, man. Nima Da, Let's Dance. By David Bowie. Rendition by the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast family. So,
Hey, sweetie.
yes, darling.
You gotta call on line 2.
Oh, really? Line 2? All right, hang on. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hey, yeah, NANABOOZHOO, it's me, it's Eric Carr.
Eric Carr. Mike, it's Eric Carr. Why did you just call me Mike? I don't know. Because I know Eric always calls you Mike. Hi, Eric.
Hey, Mike, how you doing? You still one of my baby foxes?
Yeah, I'm still one of your baby foxes.
All right. You gotta rock and roll all night, okay?
Yeah, okay. What can I do for you, Eric?
Well, I was just up here in heaven.
Oh, yeah. For non-Kiss fans who don't know, that this is Eric Carr. He was the Fox in Kiss until 1991, right?
Yeah, that's right. I died in 1991. It was very tragic. I had a heart condition.
Yeah. And he passed away. And but anyway, what can I do for you, Eric?
Well, as a fox, I was wondering, what's the Ojibwe word for fox?
Oh, for fox? It's funny you bring that up because I was going to tell a story today of the fox and the raccoon. In Ojibwe, if I can ever find it, our word for fox is wagosh.
Wagosh. Yeah, that's cool. I'm a wagosh because I'm a real fox. I'm really good looking. I'm crafty like that, and so that's why I'm a fox.
Yeah, except you're not a fox.
No, I'm a fox. I was in Kiss.
Yeah, I know who you are, but to me, you always kind of look like a raccoon. AC bun.
What now?
AC bun. It means raccoon in Ojibwe.
AC bun. What? You think I'm a raccoon?
Yeah, you're obviously a raccoon. You got the black mask. How many foxes do you know have black? Anyway, you're a raccoon. You're AC bun.
But I thought I was the fox.
Yeah, I know Kiss said you were the fox. But, no, you're just an AC bun. And that's cool. I mean, I think that's much better than... I think you're the best drummer they ever had.
Well, I like to rock and roll all night and party every day.
Yeah, I know you do, buddy. Hey, how are things in heaven?
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. I've been playing drums in a new band. Well, we got David Bowie. He's gonna front our band. He's gonna be a singer.
Oh, really? David Bowie's the singer of your band?
Yeah, that's right. He's up here in heaven.
Yeah, cool. Who else is in your band? What? I don't know. It's hilarious.
Hi, Eric.
Hey there, Natasha. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
Not too bad. Hanging out here in heaven, rocking and rolling all night and partying every day.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. We got Paul Stanley action figure here.
Yeah. I watch your show all the time. Tell Paul I said hi.
Hey, Paul.
How you doing?
Eric's on the phone.
How you doing, Eric? Hey, Paul Stanley. Oh, I'm all right. You're in heaven. Oh, whoa, woo. Yeah, that's right. I can't wait for you to be up here. What do you want me to die? Oh, whoa.
Okay, enough, you guys. These guys are giving me a headache. Listen, Eric, I gotta go. You want to learn an Ojibwe phrase of the day?
Yeah. Hey, it's May Day. What's your Ojibwe word for May Day? What's for May?
Oh, good question. Let's see. Oh, sweetie, if these guys had any idea how many plates I'm spinning right now. I can't find our words. Oh, here we go. Okay, Eric.
Yeah, lay it on me.
Today is May. In Ojibwe, we call this time of year the Zugge Baga Gizas, the leaves budding moon.
Zugge Baga Gizas, leaves budding moon. That's how you say May in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't call it May. We call it the leaves budding moon. I don't know what May means. It's probably Greek for something.
Leaves budding moon. Oh, that's pretty cool. Why do they call it the leaves budding moon?
Well, it's because it's the springtime. The leaves, the buds on the trees are going to start coming out any day now. And then the leaves will come out. It'll turn all green and everything. It's a very exciting time up here in the Northland.
Yeah, it sounds like a pretty place. Up here, all we got to look at are streets of gold, clouds, and pearly gates.
That's all you have in heaven?
Yep, we don't got any trees, there's no grass, there's no leaves. It's just white on gold on white on gold.
I'm shocked to learn that.
No, I'm kidding, man. It's beautiful up here. You should come up here sometime.
Yeah, I was just up there the other day, but I couldn't get past the front steps.
They wouldn't let you in? What are you, a sinner?
No, I'm just not dead yet. Natasha teleported me up there, but I decided to come back to Earth.
Well, when you're ready, you come up here. We'll jam.
Yeah, that'd be great. Hey, Michael. What? When we die, we can play with Eric Carr in heaven. I'm counting on it.
Yeah, Mike, you're one of my baby foxes.
Yeah, I sure am, Eric.
All right, I better get going. Hey, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? In Ojibwe Moan?
Well, in the Ojibwe language, we don't say goodbye, Eric. Because we know we'll always see each other again. We say, Giga Waba Min, Minawa.
Well, Giga Waba Min, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. I will see you again.
Yeah, you too, buddy.
And hey, Mike!
Yeah?
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. You're my baby fox. Love and kisses.
Yeah, okay. See you later, Eric.
Yeah, man.
But Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Eric Carr.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa, Natasha.
All right, see you, buddy. What is up with you two? He's just really into that whole, I'm one of his baby foxes. Yeah, you're a 56-year-old man. Why is this guy calling you his baby fox? Well, when I was a kid, I wrote him a fan letter. And he wrote back to me. And he signed it, Love and Kisses, Eric Carr. You're one of my baby foxes. Well, that's just grooming. No, he was just, but whatever. Yeah, he still thinks of you as a kid. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, well. Gigawabamin, Minawa. I will see you again. What do you think, sweetie?
What do I think about what?
Oh, I don't know. John Redcorn.
John Redcorn? He's the best.
Did you know he was here today?
John's here?
Yep.
Well, hey, BOOZHOO, John.
BOOZHOO, Niji. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and coffee. Oh, that's good coffee. I hate to admit it.
What's that?
You know what kind of coffee this is?
What?
McDonald's.
McDonald's coffee?
Yeah, I bought McDonald's brand French roast for the Keurig.
Yeah.
And it's better than whatever that other crap we were drinking.
Our family?
Our family. Oh, I'd like a box of Our Family coffee. Because the coffee's for our family. Mi familia. Anyway. So yeah, it's pretty strange about Eric Carr. He thinks he's a fox, but he's actually a raccoon.
You gonna tell the story of the fox and the raccoon?
I could.
How about I teleport you outside and you tell a traditional Ojibwe story?
Good idea. All right.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, anywhere.
Okay. Let me lock it on your coordinates.
All right.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Nah, get out of here.
Oh. What a beautiful day. Mika, what is? Geezer good. BOOZHOO, what's it called? Beneshiag. No. Benez. Benesi. I don't even know how to say bird. BOOZHOO, Benesi. So what are we going to talk about? Oh, that's right. Today I would like to discuss the sacred Ojibwe cultural folk story. In the Anishinaabe cultural way, we have a term, an Adazuke Winini. Adazuke Winini is a storyteller. But he's not just a storyteller. I mean, there's lots of storytellers. You know, sometimes gossip is just a storyteller. Hey, you know what I heard? Yeah, did you hear about Joe's wife? Ugh, she's been running around with his brother. Whatever. That's a story, but that's not a storyteller. A storyteller, and an Adazuke Winini, is a sacred, traditional, valued member of our community. You see, in the oral tradition, they called it. Oral tradition has more. There's more to oral tradition than just always brushing your teeth first thing in the morning. Yes, that's oral hygiene tradition. That's a different thing. And that's good too. Brush your teeth, kids. But there's also oral tradition that is the story tradition. Adazuke. A traditional story. And today, I would like to tell the Adazuke. The story of... Oh, crap. Wagosh. Fox. Dash. Acebun. The raccoon. Because you see, Back in the days of the grandfathers. Acebun, raccoon. I should switch these guys around. Oh, what's that? You mean I'm not really out in a field and I just blew your mind with my graphics and computer technology? Welcome to the year 2023. No. Acebun, the Schwagosh, the raccoon, and the fox. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there were these two friends, Acebun and Wagosh. And they both got sent to Saturday in-school suspension. You see, in the 80s, when you misbehaved, you'd have to go into school on a Saturday. That was punishment. They knew nobody liked school, so if you were bad, they'd make you come in on a Saturday. And one by one, 5 friends all came together in a Saturday school suspension. Their parents dropped them off. And at the start of the day, 8 o'clock, the principal comes in and he goes, well, 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 I want to commend you on your punctuality for getting here on time. Each of you are here today because of something you did wrong in school. I want you to spend this time thinking about what you did. You are not allowed to talk, to read, to write. You may not move from your chairs. You're being punished. And you, Bender, whoa, what happened? Welcome back, sweetie. Our green screen is supposed to be on a loop, but whatever. Hi, sweetie.
Hi, welcome back. Are you telling the story of Acebun and Wagosh?
Yeah, but I was kind of telling the story of the Breakfast Club.
The Breakfast Club?
Yeah. Didn't you know these guys were in the Breakfast Club too?
Is that right?
Yep. So the principal comes, he's like, hey, you, Bender, you will not sleep. And nobody should smoke pot and dance around to cool 80s music. No falling in love. No learning something about yourself. No knife fights. No putting dandruff on a drawing. You just sit here. But today you're going to do something special. I want you to write an essay of no less than 1,000 words telling me who you think you are. Who do you think you are? Anyway?
Who do you think you are? Anyway? Do you think you're anyway?
I know. Some of these people think they're anyway. So then he goes back into his office. And Acebun and Wagosh and Bender and Brian and Ali Sheedy and Emilio Estevez and that ginger girl, Claire.
Yeah.
They all throughout the day get into fights, have talks, get high, dance, run around the school, crawl up into the, ductwork. Just, they have a great time. And in the end, they all learn that, why should they tell the principal who they think they are? Because each of us are a criminal and an athlete and a brain and a basket case and a raccoon and a fox.
Hey, 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 hey! Ooh, whoa, whoa! Don't you forget about me. I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby.
Tell me your troubles and doubts. And this has been the story of Acebun and Wagosh.
That's a good story, sweetie.
You sound like, what's her name from Smoke Signals?
Oh, that's a good story, Thomas.
Yeah. That's like one of my favorite movies with the worst acting. You guys ever see Smoke Signals? I mean, I love the character of Thomas Builds a Fire. He's supposed to be a storyteller. And what happens? But so they'll, like a couple of chicks will pull up backwards in their car and it's like, hey, Thomas, tell us a story. And he goes on, he closes his eyes and he tells some weird, lame story. One time, me and your dad, we went to a Grand Slam breakfast, And then the lady would be like, you do it.
That's a good story.
Yeah.
That's a good story, Thomas. I especially hate his mom.
Is that his mom or his grandma?
Whatever. Thomas is the lady who he lives with. I think it's his grandma.
Yeah, his grandma. I don't know. She's such a bad actor. You can't tell if she's supposed to be playing an old lady or if she's just a really strange young woman. That's a good story, Thomas.
I know. Why does she talk like that?
I have no idea. Oh.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You got another call in line, too.
Oh, brother. We're going to run out of time for you to get up here.
Oh, I don't care if I get up there.
Maybe we'll just do a long show.
We could do a long show.
Okay. Caller, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, NANABOOZHOO, it's me, the Pope.
Oh, hi, Pope Francis.
Yeah, I'm an Indian now.
Hi, Pope.
Hi, Natasha.
How you doing?
I know I'm pretty drunk, but did you hear I'm an Indian?
Yeah, I heard.
You look ridiculous.
You can't say that. I'm the Pope. I'm an Indian.
You're not an Indian. He got that. A bunch of Canadians gave the Pope a headdress a couple of years ago now. And he won't even take it off.
He won't take it off?
No, I sleep in it because I'm an Indian.
You're not an Indian. You know what you are?
What am I?
You're like the worst replacement guy for the, the village people.
No, it's not true, man. I'm an Indian.
Where'd you go, Pope?
Here I am. Yeah, I was just sitting around, I was getting drunk, and I was watching your show. And I was like, hey, those are some Indians. I'm an Indian.
No, you're not.
I'm going to be in the Village People.
That I would believe. But you're not an Indian.
I'm a chief. What's your Ojibwe word for chief?
What is it, sweetie?
Ogama.
Ogama.
And I'm an Ogama.
What do you want?
I wanted to know how to say chief in Ojibwe because I'm a chief.
Yeah, okay. Listen, man, I don't got time for this. I gotta go.
All right. Well, hey, NANABOOZHOO, am I saying this right?
What's that?
Giga waba min minawa.
Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. Gigawabamin, Minowa. I will see you again.
Well, giga waba min minawa. I'll see you again. I just gotta go have a smoke and a drink.
That guy gives me the creeps.
I know, he's so weird.
No offense to Catholics anywhere, but your hero is kind of a weirdo. Although, I don't know, sweetie. I mean, if Kiss can still do it,
What are you talking about?
is it really so crazy to think that Pope Francis might become the next Indian guy in a band of Village People?
You think the Pope's going to become the new singer of the Village People?
Is it any crazier than Gene Simmons still putting on spandex?
It's a little bit crazier.
Maybe it's a little crazy. If you found out that the Pope was actually this guy from the Village People,
What, you mean if I was Catholic and I found out the Pope was that actual guy from the 70s band?
yeah, would you still be a Catholic?
I'm not a Catholic.
No, but like if you were a Catholic, would this make you convert to Scientology?
Probably.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
La-di-da-di-di-dum. I don't know why Bud Light had to get Dylan Mulvaney. I hate that I know his name. Because if Bud Light wanted to sell more beer to the gays,
Yeah?
they should have got the Village People.
She got Village People in that can.
Yeah, man. I'd probably start drinking Bud Light again if the Village People told me to.
You really?
Yeah, sure, why not? It's fun to stay at the Y. Although you know my theory, don't you?
That they're not really gay?
Yeah. I think if we did a deep dive and we really looked at these guys and we're like, all right. You know, in the 70s, they were like, oh, look how gay these guys are. Kind of foreshadowing Brokeback Mountain. There was that guy, the cowboy guy. But I just don't see, you know, that mustache is actually sort of a straight guy mustache.
It's a Marlboro Man mustache.
Yeah, exactly. This electrician guy, he's just a straight up blue collar. That guy's not gay. He's a construction worker. He's got a hard hat and mirror glasses. Okay. The way he's rolled up his sleeves, maybe he's gay.
You think Amy might be gay?
Yeah. This dude, no way. That guy is as straight as Freddie Mercury.
I think Freddie Mercury is gay.
Well, I don't know. He doesn't look gay to me. He's got a lot of masculine energy there. That dude, black dude, no way. Straight.
Yeah, he looks pretty straight.
Yeah, he's a military guy. And this is back in the days when they wouldn't let gay guys in the military. So there you go. You know he's straight.
Okay, what about that guy?
That guy, he went on to play bass for Spinal Tap.
That's right.
Yeah, he's not gay. He's a real biker. Just because the gays infiltrated bike culture doesn't make every biker a gay. That black guy, I don't get gay vibe from him. I get like 70s, like the Commodores.
Yeah.
But for some reason, they wanted us to think that these dudes were gay. Young man, there's no need to settle down.
Is that the lyric?
Yeah, I think so. It's like, young man, there's no need to settle down. I said, young man, move to San Francisco and fool around with other young men. You can be gay and not get married. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. What do you think, sweetie?
What do you think about what?
You want to get up here?
Sure, I'll get up there.
All right, everybody. I just plumb ran out of stuff to say. Let's turn the show over to the lovely and the talented Natasha. But first, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these massages.
Get out of here.
Gigawaba min, Manawa. I'll see you again.
Dog and Mainga.
by Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migizi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Kasi Vananga. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.
BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO, Beneshi Yug. Hello, birds. BOOZHOO, Diane. The beautiful ginger hippie. No. BOOZHOO, MJ. Oh, man. Oh, what a night! La 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 dee dum. Hoka hey hey, hoka hey hey hey. What a lady, what a night. Just out here on the country road. Country roads take me home to the place where I belong. Zigwahan, Mika Wadadud, Spring Beauty. BOOZHOO, sure realist. How you doing? Me no Giga Shabe. Good morning. I just came out here to maybe say a little prayer. Maybe put on my tobacco. Okay. So I was talking to my friend the other day about, fake news or just the government. And he was really on board with, the government's corrupt, especially the Democrats. And I was like, yeah, well, that's just one wing of a two-winged bird. But then I said something like, it was so fake. It was so obviously staged. It was faker than the moon landing. And he just stayed kind of quiet. And I went, do you believe we went to the moon? And he goes, well, I'm just saying, it'd be impossible to keep it covered up. You could never get away with it. I'm like, wait a minute. In 2023, you're not a boomer. I'll let the elders pass. They believe all kinds of stupid stuff. This guy's young. I don't even think he was a Gen. He might even be a millennial. He goes, well, I don't know. No, he's not a millennial. He's probably Gen X. Because, I don't know. It's
And I go, well, do you believe that we're on Mars right now? Do you really believe that for the last 20, 30 years they've been going to Mars and dropping, drones and remote control cars on Mars and sending back JPEG photos through space? Do you believe that? And he goes, well, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to disprove. It's like, well, you don't have to disprove. It's a ridiculous claim with no... But he hasn't taken the red pill. He's still living in the blue pill. He still believes anything that NASA says. And I finally got, is there anything that NASA has done that you believe they lied about? I mean, like, is there anything where you go, oh, okay, that was probably nonsense? Well, he couldn't think of one thing, and he wasn't like a huge NASA fan, but he just doesn't believe. I couldn't convince him that he had been lied to, like we all had. No, they lied about that. I didn't expect him to instantly give up believing we live on a ball Earth. But I was like, okay, think about it. Everything you've ever seen from NASA and the space station, do you really believe that space station doesn't, does any of it look fake to you? Nope. And then I realized it's like, it's weird. I think we are living in the Matrix because people in the truth community or whatever, people who feel like we've taken the red pill, we can see and tell the difference between truth and lies. Like they lied about the moon landing. That's just a fact. And I could talk for the rest of the day about how I know that, but some people can see lies. When you take the red pill, you, where you going, surrealist? Gigawabamin Nagaj. She says, see you later. Yeah, see you later. But when you take the red pill, you can suddenly tell when people are lying to you. Like, remember when you were a little kid and they had those commercials? They were like, choosy mothers choose Jif. And at first you go, oh, well, that must be true. I think I heard there was a law where TV commercials can't lie or something. Truth in advertising. I forget what it is. So, I'm sure they didn't lie about choosy mothers choosing Jif. And then you grow up and you take the red pill and you go, wait a second, that's not true. How would they know that? What's their research? What defines a choosy mother? What do you mean by choosy? They're just trying to sell peanut butter. But then when you take the red pill, you figure you can just see through so many lies. I wasn't born being able to tell when people are lying to me. But when I got older, I could suddenly tell, oh, they lied about that. This is a lie. That's a lie. Elon Musk is a lie. Albert Einstein's a lie. Or liars, anyway. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. And it all becomes so, But the reality is, a lot of us who feel like we want to wake up our friends. We go, hey, by the way, I figured this out. I used to believe this thing you still believe. No, this is going to blow your mind, but watch this. Here's the truth. It's like I've never heard of somebody who convinced somebody else. It was like mother was like, hey, you know what? You're right. You can't wake up anybody. Nobody ever changes their mind. My friend is really smart and open-minded. And he doesn't seem to be like a brainwashed person, but he can't waver at all. He doesn't give up an inch when it comes to stuff like, no, you've been lied to. And that goes back to that old saying, it's easier to lie to somebody and convince them of something untrue than it is to convince a person that they've been lied to. people can't believe they've been lied to. They would rather keep believing something that's untrue than believe that they believe something that wasn't true. It's real strange. I don't get it, Gitchimanadu. But these questions, they run so deep for such a simple mind. Nah. Tobacco. Asema. Nah. I'm gonna put on my tobacco. Say a little prayer to the man upstairs. To our Father who art in heaven. Nusana wak wing. Abian. Our Father who art in heaven. Miigwech ka ishi kakina gegu. Ka ishi chikean gigashiba. Thank you for everything that you do this morning. Miigwech ka MJ and her super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you for MJ and her super chat. I'm not sure what the Ojibwe word for super chat is, but do I still have the Miigwech video? Gawin. Mik dagawi tukawishin andom in a way noongum. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech ka iji bamaraziyan. Thank you for this life. Miigwech ka kage niwi gashkein domoen. Thank you for healing my sadness. Ni miigwechiwandam Gitchimanadu. I am grateful, Great Spirit. Abenge. Odapanan niwi asema. Accept my amen. Accept my tobacco. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because of the wonderful things he does. Oh, the wonderful things the Wizard of Oz does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. When you think about it, the story of Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz and the Emerald City or whatever, it's the story of a spiritual journey. She's off to the Emerald City, to a heavenly place where there's a magical entity who can grant wishes, fundamental wishes of intelligence, compassion, courage, and ultimately a ride home. When everything's all said and done and they arrive at the end of the story and she does indeed meet this so-called wizard, he's like, all right, I'll take you home in a hot air balloon. What? How do you steer a hot air balloon? How are you going to get to Kansas in a hot air balloon? Where is she? She's in some sort of other dimension where trees throw their own apples at humans. I never understood that. But he leaves without her and he can't land again. Apparently. I don't know why he couldn't just land. Shut off the hot air thing. Let's let it. But whatever. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to get things started on the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, muppetational. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Acebun, raccoon, wagosh, fox. Ooh, foxy lady. When I was a little girl, if a woman was really attractive, the gentleman would call him a fox. Oh, that girl's a fox. And if she was black, you say, oh, that girl's Foxy Chocolate. Foxy Chocolate. I knew a young white boy who had a t-shirt that said Foxy Chocolate. I think it had like a cartoon skunk on it or something. No, it was a fox. That's what it was. It was a black cartoon fox. It's a skunk. But I don't think he understood the lingo of the time. Okay, I'm so tired of looking for words. I'm too tired of words, and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long. I'm crying icicles instead of tears. All I can do is keep on telling you. I suppose I better go on home. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Girl, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Boop 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 boop. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, sweetie pie.
Get out of here. Hey,
Oh, hi.
what's outside?
Oh, it's beautiful. Just a beautiful day out in the country. In the glorious, I think I was in Kansas.
Well, you're not in Kansas anymore, Dorothy.
I'm not in Kansas anymore. Well, Michael, you want me to add anything before I land the plane?
You want to tell them about supporting us on Patreon and stuff?
Yeah, sure. Hey, well, better yet, actually. Never mind Patreon. If you would like to support our show, you can become a BOOZHOO Crew tribal member. Click the link, the little button that says join. Join the BOOZHOO Crew tribe. Like Jilly Hearth, the Commodore, Friendship 1, Diane, Ginger Hippie, Cousin Missy, a cousin, Ben Lejour, MJ, Mike Old, Joan Frame, and Red Z. We really appreciate you, Miigwech. Otherwise, Michael has books for sale at Amazon.com. Books like Dog in My Ingen. Click the links below. Ojibwe words and phrases. And for people who sign up on our membership channel, we'll give you the home address and phone number of the Commodore.
What?
Yeah, did you hear that?
No, we're not going to do that.
Yeah, Commodore says be a tribal member. It's worth it. Yeah, and he'll let you stay in his house for free.
He will not.
What, he won't?
No, quit saying that.
Come on, I'm trying to get these people to sign up. No. BOOZHOO, Commodore, how you doing? We were just talking about you. And Miigwech once again for signing up. You guys are the best. Oh, I feel so loved. Otherwise, do we have any other songs we can leave them with?
I don't think so, actually.
Well, that sucks. What?
Nothing.
I'm just sitting here, minding my own business. No. Okay, let's get out of here. Time to mudge on. Ladies and gentlemen, Ni Janashanabe Doog, my fellow Anishinaabe, Miigwech Gabisandawieg. Thank you for listening. Dush Miigwech Ganawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language, on, Michael.
That's right.
And Ojibwe culture. Nanabooshoo.
That's right.
My name is Natasha. This over here is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
Hey, thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And this over here, this hunka burning love. Nanabooshoo.
Okay, miigwech. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, min, mina wa. Oh, miigwech for the super chat, MGA. We do appreciate